Steps of Gomukhasana. Sit with legs extended. Fold the left leg under the right hip and stack the right knee over the left. Raise the right arm overhead, bend the elbow and bring behind to clasp the hands. And keep the spine straight and chest open. Hold for it for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch sides. Gomukhasana improves posture and flexibility, stretches shoulder, chest and hips and thighs, relieves stiffness in the back and neck, enhances lung capacity and breathing, helps the reduce stress and anxiety. Steps of Baddha Konasana or bound angel pose. Sit with legs extended, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Pull your heels as close to the pelvis as comfortable. Hold your feet with your hands and press the knees gently toward the ground. Keep your back straight and chest open. Hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Benefits of Baddha Konasana. Stretches inner thighs, hips and groin. It improves flexibility in the hip joints, stimulates blood flow to the pelvic organs and relieve menstrual discomfort and the digestive issues, and it calms the mind and reduce fatigue. Steps of Ardha Matsyendrasana or half spinal twist pose. Sit with legs extended, bend the right leg and place the right foot outside the left knee. Fold the left leg and bring the left foot near the right hip. Place the right hand for your support and left elbow outside right knee. Twist your torso to the right, looking over your right shoulder and hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Benefits of Ardha Matsyendrasana. It improves spinal flexibility and posture, stimulates digestion and detoxifies the organs, and relieves back pain and stiffness, and it enhances blood circulation and reduces stress and calms the mind.